Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. In today's tutorial, we will explain how to remove admin from your Telegram group. Let's get started and see how can we do that. First, tap on Telegram app icon. After that, select your Telegram group. Click on this icon. Tap on pen icon. Click on administrators. Below here you can find how many administrators in your Telegram group. As shown, there are 3 administrators in your Telegram group. Press on administrators. You will find here 3 administrators. If you want to remove 2 administrators and keep only 1, first method is to press on 3 dots beside administrator which you want to remove from your Telegram group. Let's press here. Click on dismiss admin. Now you remove member as administrators. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.